I'm going to show how to subscribe to Microsoft Translator and to connect your subscription to a translation memory tool like WordFast Pro. In order to subscribe to Microsoft Translator, visit the site datamarket.azure.com. Make sure that your region is set correctly to where you are located, so that you get the offers in your currency. Search for Translator. Choose Microsoft Translator. You can see here a list of all the different volume levels that you can subscribe to, ordered by the number of characters per month that you can consume. Start with a free translation of 2 million characters per month. Click Sign Up. At this point, you have to log in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have one, you can sign up for a new account here. If you are a Hotmail or Outlook or Xbox user, you already have a Microsoft account and you can use it. Here you can review the terms of the offer. You can agree to it and click Sign Up. At this point, you're subscribed to Microsoft Translator. You still need to create a client ID and client secret in order to connect it to your translation memory application. Visit your account, click on Developers, and register an application. Your translation memory tool is an application in the eyes of the Microsoft Azure marketplace. You can define a client ID, however, it needs to be unique, globally unique. Let's hope this is unique. You give it a name. You give it a client secret. I suggest to define your own. It must be at least 20 characters long. As a redirect URL, you can give your own website, or if you don't have one, use microsofttranslator.com, but it doesn't really matter. Click Create, and you have defined your client ID and client secret. You are now ready to copy your client ID and client secret into your TM tool. To do this, just click on your client ID. Then you see the whole thing that you just defined together. Select your client ID and copy it and paste it into the appropriate field in WordFast. The appropriate field in WordFast you find under Edit, Preferences, scroll down to Machine Translation, choose Microsoft Translator, enable it, copy your client ID here, go back to your browser, choose your client secret, copy it, paste it here, use Microsoft Translator as a primary, test out if it works, Okay, it works. And now you are ready to use translation in WordFast Pro. Just to make sure everything is secure, sign out of the Azure Marketplace. And you are done and ready to use Microsoft Translator in your translation memory tool.